Hello, my lovely students. Once again in speaking session, it's our 13th day of English speaking challenge. We are talking about how we can improve our speaking skill in English, and we are working on 30 days plan in which we will learn how we can speak well, how we can get well, and how we can communicate well with your practice. So if I am talking with you on daily basis, my main motive behind that, you have to work on your speaking skill. If you think that one day you can speak well, you can communicate well, then you have to practice on it. If you think that without practice I can improve a lot, it's your wrong perception. You can't do this. You can improve yourself. You have to work on your speaking strength. So today we talk about how you can improve your pronunciation skills. Like, it's not easy task, I can understand this. It's very tough thing. If you will work on it, then it's very easy for you. If you will not work on it, then it's very tough for you. You can't improve yourself. Then what you have to do for improving your pronunciation skill? For pronunciation skill, you have to work on your accent. There are two type of accent, like American accent and British accent. Both are very important for English. So what you have to do, you have to listen native speaker regarding pronunciation improvement. Like, if I am talking with you, might be I am not talking according to the accent that is helpful, that is very necessary for improving ourselves. Might be it's very tough for me, but if I will work on it, then it's easy for me. For improving pronunciation skill, first thing that is very important, you have to pronounce words, sentences according to the way of native speaker. For native speaker, what you have to do on daily basis, you have to listen lot of videos, lectures and other material that is very important for your grooming. Like, if I am walking, if I am talking, if I am communicating, then I have to take some key points that can help me improving my pronunciation skill. The pronunciation skill is not easy task, it's very tough task. If I am non-native speaker, then it's very tough for me to improve my pronunciation skill. My accent can't be good if I will not work on it. If I will work on it, if I will try to do again and again, like, if there are some kind of unfamiliar words that is very awkward, that is very unfamiliar, that is very hard to pronounce or speak, then I can't do this. For improving, for betterment, it's necessary for me to indulge myself in speaking. If I will speak on daily basis, then my pronunciation skill can be improved. So for pronunciation, for improvement, for betterment, I have to take new words on daily basis. Like, firstly I have to know how different words are be pronounced. Like, if I am pronouncing the word park, but if I will speak according to the accent, then it can be pronounced park. So these kinds of words you have to learn on daily basis. I am also trying to do this, you have to also do this. But if you think that just one day I can do well, I can promote myself, then it's your wrong perceptions. For promoting, for betterment, for improving yourself, you have to work on your weakness. Like, if I talk about myself, my weakness is in my pronunciation skill. I am trying to speak as the accent that I listen as a native speaker, then it's very hard to pronounce those words. So there are different accents, but if you use your tongue properly, if you use words properly, if you work on different words that is difficult for you when you are trying to pronounce, then you have to work on those words. If you will do this, then I think it's very easy task and it will be easy for us. We can speak on any stage of our life. For promoting, for grooming, or for getting some kind of knowledge, if we wanted to present ourselves as a native speaker, then we have to practice like a native speaker. Like there are different kind of words that is very hard to pronounce. If I talk about some specific words, we pronounce like ball, but if we talk about as a American accent, ball, so these kinds of words you have to take in your life and you have to work on it, like particular, but if it will be native speaker accent, then particular. So same like these kinds of words you have to take on daily basis and you have to work on it. So it's our 13 day in which you have to work on your pronunciation skill, and if you will work on it, then it's very easy for you to improve your pronunciation skill. It's not a easy task. If you think that within 1 month, within short time, I can improve a lot, you can improve, but it's need your consistency, it's need your attention, it's need your time you are giving to your practice. So there are different kind of accent, but according to me, according to I my experience, I learned from different videos. If you focus on two different accent like British and American, then English will be easy for you. So I think you have to work on it. You have to be consistent on regular basis for promoting yourself. If you give up, if you fed up, if you are afraid from pronunciation skill as well, then it's very tough for us to promote in speaking skill. Because we are not native speaker, we are non-native speaker. If we listen more, if we practice more, then we can get lot of experience as well as knowledge. It came just your practice. So it's all about for 13 days in which we talk how we can improve our pronunciation skill, and it can be better. Your pronunciation can be good and you can present yourself as a native speaker, but you have to work on it. And one key techniques formula you should keep in your mind. You have to take different difficult words on your daily regular basis, and you have to speak like a native speaker. Then our pronunciation, our communication can be better. And words are very important for conversation or communication, because without words there will be no authenticity of your communication. Your words should be formal, your words should be good, and your words should be advanced level, so that you can promote yourself. So it's the end of 13 day, and in this day you have to work on your pronunciation skill. It can grow yourself, it can promote you, and it reveals your ideas you are taking, you are capturing in your mind, and you want to express your ideas in front of audience.